What makes us unique is that we actually try to say, hey, we're joining your team. So let us come alongside of you. Let's walk through your environment. Let's understand your processes. Tell us where the pain points are, if they are. Tell us what you're trying to accomplish. And let us just walk together and listen to the challenges that you're having. We always say that the data drives design. So we really want to get data points from you so we can understand what kind of a problem we're trying to solve, or what kind of an opportunity there is actually to bring technology and automation into your particular environment.
When I first started, we were all in the same room. We had 3 people that would be offloading the glass, all packing. So one person will pack 6, pass it on. The next person will pack 6 and pass it on, and they tape the boxes by hand and palletize them all by hand as well.
We decided to get more automation, and from that we were able to reduce the workload and fatigue of the employees, but also go significantly faster. Everyone's very excited about the adding of the technology because in many ways it makes the job more interesting. It's definitely a lot faster pace.
For us, it's been a really good partnership. It's really simple to do things in a more automated fashion.
With this, alleviating a couple positions over here, we're able to keep those people over there. They can be more productive. As a worker, you now have a more skilled labor position, which then in turn means you also may end up with higher wages in the company. The company's gonna make more money because they're gonna produce more. It's all around good for both the workers and the company.
So we see the ROI in labor per case. Our margins are better, our labor per case is, I think right now it's about 35–40% less than it was.
It allows us more time to spend in the cellar focusing on making good quality wine.
We looked at our employee base, we looked at where our folks were who were potentially going to be retiring. We looked at the workforce coming out of COVID and said, how are we going to get all the packaging done that we need to on a daily basis with the available employee base out there? The answer came pretty quickly that we wanted to continue to add more automation into our plant. We still have many skilled employees that run the automation in our facility. It's just changing their skill set and asking them to do different things. We want consistent production. I want production going all the time. So if my employees are focused on hearing and seeing what's happening, kind of the bigger picture, versus grabbing a bag and putting it on a pallet, they can actually keep production going longer. So we're getting more production than we were previously, and I've got employees who are more engaged.